Good day, traders, and welcome to the fifth edition of our coverage of the Ultimate Trading Championship. My name is CJ Dupe, your host throughout this event. Just a reminder that entries have closed for this event, but not to worry, we will bring you much more events next year, so stay tuned. We have a packed show for you today, so let's not waste any time and get straight into the action. In today's episode, we will look at the action from week 4 in the Ultimate Trading Championship. We announce our Trade of the Week winner. We share some setups to watch out for this week by our team of traders, and we look at some of the action from our Discord trading room. This event is brought to you by the FX Price Action Setups trading community and powered by IFX Brokers. Looking at some statistics from week 4 in the Ultimate Trading Championship, we now have 63 active traders remaining from a starting amount of 128, which means half our traders have now fallen out. Our biggest trade of the week was done on the Euro New Zealand dollar and it was a 4.75% move. So if you had a big trade on the Euro New Zealand dollar, you might be the Trade of the Week winner that we'll announce just after this. The biggest dollar trade was done again by Wayne Trade, our tournament leader from pretty much the start on the pound USD. There's obviously there was again lots of volatility on the pound pair, so some big moves to be caught there. The biggest gainer for the week was Andre Florin with a 225% gain this week, so a very good gain there by Andre Florin. Moving on to the top trades of the week, it's quite interesting to see here. I've actually got the dollar profits here. I think next week I'll share the percentage profits. I think that's more important because this leaderboard is pretty much just dominated by Wayne Trade and Andre Florin. I see two other people on the list there, but Wayne Trade again just raking in the money over here. He's going to be a hard man to catch, but yeah, like I say, Andre Florin also on this leaderboard 4 times, so we'll see where he's lying on the standings in a second. I can tell you the other 2 traders that you see on the list here, Triple R and Drewman, both of them, even though they had such great trades, both of them have been eliminated. So yeah, there's pretty much just it seems like a 2-horse race looking at the top 10 trades at the moment. Yeah, just quickly looking at the movers for the week. As we can see, the top mover from a percentage point of view is Andre Florin with that 225% move that we mentioned. We see Wayne Trade in second position with a 79% gain, which is excellent. You know, he's got a big account already, but he's still growing it. You know, at a high percentage rate. So, you know, he's just solidifying his lead there. A very good solid week again by Lucid, who's been you know, trading really well, being really consistent there. I see good weeks there. I've a couple of names I recognize there. Robin Hood, Bruce, who's part of my trading team. I see him. He's also had a good week there. So congratulations, Bruce. But yeah, they are your top 10 movers for the week. And finally, getting to the leaderboard, as we can see, a Wayne Trade has a massive gain of almost 1,000%. So his account is already on over $1 million. A very good week by Andre Florin has bumped him into the second position with a 445% gain, putting on a little bit of pressure on Wayne Trade perhaps, but something really important to note here is Andre Florin did get a strike over the weekend because he's holding on to some rather large losses in open trades. And he's already on 2 strikes, so Andre is going to have to find a way to close these trades before the end of the week, so he doesn't incur any more penalties. You know, 1 more strike and he's out, so that's going to be tricky, and it'll be interesting to see if he can manage to get that. It'll be a shame if he gets knocked out with 3 strikes after, you know, such a big gain. Lucid currently on the 3rd place position with a 90% gain, you know, doing really well. And as we can see, a couple of other mentioned, Brian still here after his big trade at the beginning. Robin Hood is just constantly growing his account, but unfortunately he's also got a strike now, and looking at this drawdown, I wonder if he can recover from that. Yeah, nice to see Bruce again on there, and congratulations to the rest of the top 10. We still have 3 weeks to go. Let's find out if you know, Wayne Trade can maintain that advantage. if Andre can put some pressure on him and get out of his losing trades and not get that extra strike. Lucid, doing really solidly there, no strikes yet, so maybe he can start taking some chances if he wants to push for higher honors. So that was the end of week 4, guys. So 3 weeks to go. Let's see how it all pans out. But right now, we're gonna announce our Trade of the Week winner. Yes, congratulations there to Menzi FX for winning this week's Trade of the Week. We will be in contact with you in regards with the prize money. So that is it for the coverage side of our episode this week, but we're going to quickly look at some setups that our team of traders have identified for this week. So here it is, guys, and enjoy. That brings us nearly to the end of this week's episode. We actually have a very big announcement next week, so be sure to subscribe and check out next week's episode. We had a very great week on our Discord trading room, lots of great setups from there, and we're going to end this episode today with some setups and some action from our Discord trading room. Enjoy, guys, and as always, good luck and happy trading.